Hi, Catherine.
Hey.
Such a privilege to run into you today at the Eagle Council in St. Louis. You're really an icon to a lot of us. And you've stood up and fought the government, and you were a target.
Yes.
A huge target of the left and the government complex for several years, and you had a huge win lately.
Yes. A judge finally came out after really nearly a decade in court overall and said that not only did we win, but that the IRS had to pay us. And of course, they're still kicking and screaming, but the writing's on the wall, and we are thrilled.
That's wonderful, because when they came after you, this was during the Tea Party days, and you were one of the organizations, in fact, probably the top organization they wanted to put out of business,
right.
And that they were targeting and would not give access to special privileges from the IRS. So you took them on, and that was in 2012. And at the time, you had said something about, I think it was Representative Cummings. And can you give us any update on that, or what you had mentioned about him before?
Look, I stand by everything I said about Elijah Cummings back in the day. And you know, I know he's become a headliner again because of the president's comments about Baltimore. And let me just tell you.
What did he do back then?
He sent us... The first thing he did was send us a letter saying that he was going to start his own personal criminal investigation against True the Vote because he felt like what we were doing was wrong. And so on House Oversight stationery, he decided himself, singularly, to start this fight. And he emailed Lois Lerner and team to get personal information. And his staff members tried to impersonate volunteers to come inside trainings. It was wild. So I have no pity on Elijah Cummings.
Right. And there was a time, I think you never thought of bringing a lawsuit against him.
Well, you know, it's a great question. We never brought a lawsuit against him, but we did file a complaint with the Ethics Commission, which got pigeonholed. And we have followed up. There's no movement. It's still alive out there somewhere, and it deserves to be looked at.
So are you going to press to push this forward?
You know what? I hadn't thought about that in a while. But Jim, I think we will.
All right. That's great. Well, congratulations
Thanks
to you.
very
Thank
much.
you for your courage. The amount of pressure the government put on you is unbelievable. I hope you write your story sometime. I hope it's a movie.
Thanks.
Because it's just amazing what you've been through, and it's great to run into such a patriot.
We're all in this together.
All right.
Thanks.
Thank you.